This is the BEYOUNG portable electric mixing mug. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual, USB charging cable, USB to USB-C. They give you a cleaning brush here, which is telescopic. And then I was looking at this and I couldn't quite figure out because this is too large. This is a collapsible drinking straw, telescopic as well. And you get the mug itself. So here it is here. Holds 12 ounces. That can shut and prevent you from spilling your entire drink all over. In other words, with it shut, it'll block that off. It's not completely leak-proof as far as that's concerned, but at least if you have that shut and it gets knocked over, then it's not going to be a huge mess. Rubber ring on the bottom so it stays put like that. Your button there, double click it to start the mixing action, press it once to stop, and on the bottom is the charging port. You just peel that out and then you can plug in the cable to charge. You can't use the mug while it's charging, obviously, so that will have to wait, but it will last for up to 4 hours on a charge, meaning it can run mixing for up to 4 hours before it needs to be charged, and you're probably not going to be running the mixer on it for any longer than 30 seconds a minute at a time, so it'll last a really good long while. The inside of the mug is 304 stainless steel. In this mug you can put instant coffee, tea, milk powder, protein powder, anything like that, and obviously some water or anything else you want to mix it with, and turn it on and it'll go. And the way it does, there's a little magnet at the bottom there. I'll see if I can get that out for you so you can see. You just gotta play with it a second. There we go. So a little magnet like that, and that's what spins and stirs it. You just drop it in and it's in place. So what I'm going to do is put some water in here, and I'm going to turn it on and show it mixing. I'm going to do it with the lid off. You don't want to do that. It's kind of like running a blender with the lid off the top. Not a good idea. It's going to splash out, so I'm only going to put some water in and not fill it all the way. This way you can at least see the mixing action. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, double click the power button, and it takes just a second for it to get started, and you can see that it does a fine job. I'll stop it. You can still see it whirling around in there. We'll turn it on again. And there we are. I'm going to add some iced tea mix to it, right like that. I'm also going to put the lid on, just in the event anything wants to spill. You can leave that mix as long as you want. That's more than plenty enough right there. And indeed, that would be iced tea. When you're ready to drink, you can open that up, extend the straw, just like that, stick that in, and there you go. Nice glass of iced tea. Could be hot coffee. You can use hot or cold liquids in here, and it just mixes it up like that. And when you're done, it is hand wash only, so it does not go in the dishwasher, but as I showed, there's a rubber plug in the bottom like that, and that way you can wash it in the sink with a sponge and hot water or anything like that. It's perfectly fine to get wet that way, just not in a dishwasher, and you're otherwise okay. So once again, this was the BEYOUNG portable electric mixing mug. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.